James, we've got a critical issue with Mr. Ellis's prescription. The 5 milligrams warfarin tablets are out of stock, and he's due for his dose in an hour. The system shows you have 3 milligrams tablets available. Can we split those?
That's not ideal, Mihira. Tablet splitting isn't recommended for warfarin due to dosage precision risks. Have you checked if the cardiology ward has extras? They sometimes keep emergency reserves.
I did, they're also low. His INR was 2.8 yesterday, so we can't delay. What about compounding a liquid formulation from the powder we have?
That would take 4 hours for quality testing. Here's another thought, we've got the 1 milligram tablets in stock. Could we give 5 of those instead? It's more pills but maintains accuracy.
That could work, though he has mild dysphagia. Let me check with his consultant about temporarily switching to the 1 milligram regimen. Meanwhile, when will the 5 milligram stock arrive?
The shipment's delayed until Friday due to manufacturing issues. Mihira, I'll escalate this to procurement. We can't keep facing these shortages with high-risk medications. MIHIRA getting ready for this procedure generally involves two main parts: what you do before you arrive, and what happens once you are at the hospital. Before your appointment, the most important thing is managing what you consume. We ask you to have an empty stomach so the doctor gets the clearest view possible and to minimize any risk during the procedure. This means you must not have any solid food for a minimum of 6 hours before your scheduled time. You can have clear fluids, like water, apple juice, or black coffee/tea without milk, up to 2 hours before. We will also review your medications. If you take blood thinners or diabetes medications, we'll give you specific instructions on whether to stop them temporarily or adjust the dose, so please be sure to discuss your full list with us. Once you arrive at the hospital, we'll start with the final preparations. This includes the essential consent process, where we ensure you understand the procedure and any potential risks, and you'll sign a form. You will be asked to change into a hospital gown. We'll then discuss the sedation plan with you. Most people receive light sedation to make them sleepy and comfortable, which is given through a small 4-line in your arm. Finally, just before the scope is passed, the back of your throat will be sprayed with a local anesthetic, throat spray. This numbs the area, helping to reduce the gag reflex and making the insertion much more comfortable for you. We want this to be as smooth an experience as possible.